seconds of transmission. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cue music.
I'm telling you, man, a giant bat!
Lieutenant, every punk in this town is scared stiff. You know what they say? They say he can't be killed. They say he drinks blood. They say...
I say you're full of shit nuts.
Good evening. The fashion world was stunned today by the sudden deaths of models Candy Walker and Amanda Keeler. Cause of death has been attributed to a violent allergic reaction, although authorities have not ruled out the possibility of drug use.
6 new deaths, with no clues as to the Joker's deadly weapon.
And what is the pattern? Foods, alcohol, or beauty and hygiene products? Cologne, mouthwash, underarm deodorant?
Or worse yet, there may be no pattern. The search goes on through Gotham's shopping nightmare.
I have given a name to my pain.
Mysterious figure.
It is Batman.
Appear and disappear. And avoid the following combinations: deodorants with baby powder, hairspray, and lipstick. Safe products are flying in as Gotham City goes on a forced fast. And all of Gotham is wondering what to make of Batman. Friend or foe?
Somebody tell me what kind of a world we live in where a man dressed up as a bat gets all of my press. This town needs an enema.
I don't like it up here.
What, are you scared of heights?
I don't know. After what happened to Johnny Gobbs.
Hey, look, man, Johnny Gobbs got ripped and took a walk off a roof, all right? No big loss.
Oh, man. That ain't what I heard at all. I heard the bat coming.
The bat? Oh, man, give me a break, will you?
5 stories straight down. There wasn't no man. Get out of here.
Hey, shut up, man. Listen to me. There ain't no bat.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't have turned the gun on that kid, man. You shouldn't have turned the gun on that.
Do you want your cut of this money or not? Now shut up. Don't kill me, man. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, man.
I'm not going to kill you. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to tell all your friends about me.
What are you?
I'm Batman.
Why didn't somebody tell me that he had one of those things?
Bob? Gun.